my everyday simple makeup look. This is when you want to beat face, but you ain't got time for eyeshadow and all that good stuff. So I'm gonna show you my everyday simple little razzle. Just a little dazzle.
Stop it. Get some help.
Okay, so I already have my eyebrows on, and I did prime my face with my usual Fenty Beauty by Beautiful Rihanna. So now I'm gonna use, as always, Lancome Tint Idol in the shade 540 Sue W. I think that's how you say it. If not, I do apologize for the inconvenience. So I'm just gonna get that all over my face. Okay. Oh, and if you guys would like to know how I do my eyebrows, I am gonna be uploading, or there is gonna be a video on my channel on how I do those. So make sure to check that out. I will link it in the bio below. Or click this. I might put it up this if I know how to do that. And I like to stipple on my foundation because, as you can see, I do have a lot of acne scars. So when I stipple it on like this, that gives the most coverage. Okay, so now once that is blended out, I'm gonna get my good old concealer. I like to use a concealer that's lighter than my face. If y'all watch Instagram videos, y'all should know why. It's to highlight the face. If not, it's to highlight the face. So, just gonna do that good old I'm gonna do a triangle under my eyeball. And I'm gonna do my chin, my upper lip, my nose, and my forehead. Okay, and I like to let that sit a little bit so I can get that good old coverage. I am a full coverage type of person, and I got that tip from Miss Jackie Anna. Not herself, but I got it from her channel. Okay, and since this is gonna be like a quick tutorial, I'm just gonna link everything that I use in the description box because I don't want to overtalk your ear holes. So I'm gonna take my brush, and same with the foundation, I'm gonna stipple it into my skin. Okay, so recently I started to notice I have like a mustache, and I'm trying to figure out where the fuck did it come from? Am I getting hormones? Like, ew.
It was always there.
It wasn't.
It's just getting heavier.
Yeah, I rebuke it. I needed to go away. And I do the under eye concealer last because, like I said, I like as much full coverage as I can get. So I do these 3 parts first, and I do that last. And I like to blend outwards to inners because I have some deep ass dark circles. And you would think it's because I don't sleep, but I sleep, baby. I sleeps. And since I am not doing eyeshadow, I just put it all over my eyelid. Bro, can you imagine if this shit wasn't recorded? I'm gonna be pissed. I'm gonna be so upset. Okay. Now on camera, like my counterpart said, I do look a little mismatched, but I promise you in person it's not. Oh, she said ghost, but I promise you it's not. I am matching perfectly well in real life. Okay, so once I blended out that good old concealer, I'm gonna take my setting powder and set all the places that I just concealed, starting with my under eyeball so it don't start all that creasing nonsense, which is already doing. And I'm also gonna set my eyelid as well so it doesn't be creasing throughout the night. And what I like to do, I just like to press the setting powder into my skin. I don't usually like to use a brush for this process because I feel like, I don't even know, but I just like doing it like this, so I'm gonna continue. I'm going to go ahead and do my eyeliner. Usually when I do this simple look, I still like to have a little something on the eyeballs. So So I'm gonna do me a thin, maybe thick. Let's see how it turns out. All right, y'all boys, so I ended up fucking up this eyeliner real bad, so I'm gonna go ahead and take me my concealer, the one that matches my skin tone, and clean it up right quick, like, because that shit is a mess. Because usually when I do my eyeliner, I like it to be flicking up, not out. I look fucking ridiculous, but hey, we'll go with it because I'm not taking this shit off. Alrighty, so I fixed the eyeliner, kind of, sorta. So I'm gonna go ahead and set the rest of my face with this link in below. Okay, so now that I set the rest of my face, I'm going to go ahead and spray my good old setting spray. Okay, and now that I am set, I'm going to go ahead and get this good old highlighter popping, but really it's from an eyeshadow, so I don't know if it's still considered a highlight product, but I use it because it still be shining. Now I do this after, and I go lightly with the highlight because I am not really a highlight person. I just like to do a little something something, which is quite shocking because, you know, I've been told I'm a little extra, but highlight is just not my thing. Yes, a little. Okay, and I'm going to be drawing a heart under my eyeball. Well, not under directly, like on the side of my eyeball. I just like that look. So cute. Okay. Now I drew my little heart or whatever. Now I'm gonna go ahead and put some mascara on my bottom lashes and my top, and then I'm gonna put on some good old falsies because a makeup look is not complete without the falsies. Okay. Now the way my lashes are set up, I need falsies. Some of y'all can get away with it, but not me. Not this one. Okay, and I'm going to line my bottom lash with some black. I usually switch between white and black. The white usually makes my eyeballs stand out some more, but I can't find a white, so we're gonna go with black today. Alrighty, y'all boys, we have finally reached the fun step, and this is the put on the lash. $45, $47.
15, 30, 37, 38, 45, 47.
Alrighty, the lashes are on. As you can see, it was a bit of a struggle because that was a fresh pack of lashes. You know, they ain't formed to my eyeball just yet, but it's okay though. It's a-okay. I'm gonna go ahead and put some lip gloss on because this is a natural, everyday makeup look. So we're gonna put some lip gloss on, do this hair, and I'll show y'all the finished product.
What's up, y'all boys?
Alrighty, guys, so this is the finished makeup looks. If you guys like it, make sure to hit that good old like button, and if you want to see more, make sure to hit that good old subscribe button. And if you guys do decide to recreate this look, which is the most simplest look that I know, make sure to comment and let me know how I did. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.